Hey folks, so update lang dun sa Pepsi Paloma film ni Daryl Yap. So mukhang ito nga ay anti-Pepsi Paloma. Which means, in a way, malilinis yung pangalan ng TVJ. Bakit? Kasi yung mga post si Daryl, inaano talaga niya eh. Parang sinasabi niya na inaaway siya ng mga kaibigan ng Pepsi. Why would they do that? Kasi most likely, yung sinasabi sa movie, against Pepsi Paloma. And si Sarcy Emmanuel nga, which is kapwa soft drink beauty ni Pepsi, may pinost si Daryl na comment, which is nagagalit nga si Sarcy na parang, paano daw nako yung narrative, patay na yung tao. So, I guess, abangan na lang natin yung pelikula. Yun lang. Nakabahan din ako sa pelikulang to. I mean, for the longest time, di ba? Parang Pepsi has been the victim, kanyan. But, of course, ganun talaga. There are two, actually not just two, but so many sides to every story. Like ngayon, di ba? Parang lumabas nga sa PEP in 2024, ang daming harassment cases and we don't really know if they're true. Of course, we should give, you know, diba, we should be gentle with the victim, ganyan. But still, if they're not true, grabe yung trauma dun sa mga napagbintangan. Diba? Ako naman, I'm indifferent when it comes to TVJ. In fact, I don't really, you know, wala ako masyado interaction with them except when I joined Itbulaga before and won a prize. May nag-refer sa akin because I'm a theater actress and they're looking for, I think that was Pula o Puti. Medyo na-delay yung prize but nabigay rin naman. But wala naman, diba? Very sensitive talaga yung issue eh. So, basta ang huling pinost ni Daryl Yap is yung DRUGS. Baka maano ako eh, masyado ba. Pag DRUGS daw ng mga kaibigan ni Pepsi, gusto pasalamat daw sila, hindi ni-reveal sa pelikula. So I guess Ray De La Cruz will play a central part there and I guess hindi din involved si Coca Nicolas sa film kasi si Coca yung nagsabi na si Ray daw may pakana lang and everything is like just a gimmick. No interview niya with Julius Babaw. But sa pahayag ni Daryl, I don't think she's in communication with Coca. Parang, yun nga, parang sinasabi niya hindi din naman na sila close talaga ni Pepsi or something. Nakakaba. But yeah, may latest na pinost siya about another actor who's gonna play Rene Cayetano na lawyer ni Pepsi. And it's gonna be played by Joe Naira. So, yeah, the name might not seem so familiar, but the face, if you look at him, yung mga nagre-recurring roles sa mga soap ako din before ginagawa ko yan. Ayan. So, it's not really bit player, but more of guest roles na, yun, longer than a bit player, I guess. Anyways, yun lang.